In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Drive to Canva. A quick process that will only take a couple of minutes and make your design workflow much smoother. First, open your browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once inside, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, click Manage Apps, then scroll down and choose Connect More Apps. In the search bar, type Canva, then select it from the list. Click Install and follow the steps to connect it with your Google Drive. You may be asked to confirm your Google account and grant Canva permission to access your files. Go ahead and allow those permissions to finish the setup. And that's it. Your Google Drive is now linked to Canva. Next time you're designing, you can directly pull in files from your drive, saving time and boosting productivity.